All set for the digital transition and new market conditions with the business-proven methods of the Siemens Development System, or SDS for short. SDS is helping Siemens become an innovation leader and a digital champion. People have always used images to explain things simply and reduce the content to the necessary and important aspects. Thousands of years later, this principle hasn't changed. We like to convey information visually because it forces us to reduce the information to the most important points. The visualization principle also makes your working life easier. Fatma manages a project team. Her job comprises scheduling and resource planning as well as risk management. To help her effectively reach all targets and ensure her team members are fully involved, Fatma uses visual management. First, she and her team ask themselves how all persons involved in the project can create transparency regarding the content of the project. What kind of visualization will help them meet their daily challenges? The SDS manager has a tip for them. He explains, the content and the project environment are more important than the display format and medium. Fatma and her team develop a suitable team board that is always accessible to all. The illustration benefits everyone equally. For example, visualization makes problems quickly apparent and helps the team to find solutions or improvements. Combining the board with regular stand-up meetings is most effective. To find the best display format for themselves, Fatma and her team repeatedly test the functionality of the visualization. In so-called retrospectives, the team members discuss what works well, but also ideas for improvement. They then test these in their everyday work, which starts a continuous learning and improvement process. During so-called Gemba Walks, guests such as Fatma's managers can attend the meetings according to the team's rules. This reduces reporting effort, facilitates fast decision-making, and thereby speeds up the entire project. Of course, visual management involves more than just putting pictures up on the wall. Talking, listening, understanding, and responsibly and collaboratively taking action and making decisions. Fatma's team are thrilled. All the information they need to manage the project is clearly shown in one place where everyone involved has access. That creates transparency, keeps colleagues and managers up to date, and facilitates fast decision-making. The combination of different SDS methods improves collaboration. Would you too like to use effective cooperation to make your project a success? Combine visualization with stand-ups. More information about visual management is available on the intranet or from the SDS manager of your business unit.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.